P8I विमानाचे दुसरे स्क्वॉड्रन मंगळारा भारतीय नौदळाच्या ताफ्यात दाखल जातले। ह्या विमानाक लागून भारताची दर्यादेग सुरक्षा अधिक घटमूट जावपाची शक्यता आसा।
आजच्या वेगवान आणि कठीण सुरक्षा परिस्थितीत बोईंग P8I नेपच्यून हे विमान भारतीय हवाई दळाचो कणो जावन आसा। पाणबुडयो आणि हेर युद्ध बोटी सोदून त्यो नष्ट करपाची ह्या विमानाकडेन क्षमता आसा, अशें नौदळ मुखेली आर हरिकुमार हांणी सांगले। विमानाच्या कमिशनिंग कार्यावळीत ते उलयताले।
Today's dynamic and complex security situation, the squadron's operational capabilities will significantly enhance our ability to protect, to serve, and promote our national maritime interests. And since their induction in 2013, the P8Is have demonstrated their ability to be force multipliers across a wide spectrum of missions. The aircraft have been at the forefront of operations, joint operations along the line of actual control on the northern borders, and have been providing valuable inputs for a long time. They still continue to provide surveillance for joint services missions on a regular basis.
हिंद महासागरात सुरक्षा आणि पाळत दवरपा खातीर ह्या विमानांचो वापर जातलो। कमांडिंग अधिकारी अमित मोहपात्रा हांचेकडेन ह्या स्क्वॉड्रनाचे नेतृत्व आसतले। बोईंग P8I हे आधुनिक तसेच वेगवेगळ्या कामां खातीर वापरात येवपी लॉंग रेंज मॅरिटाइम रिकॉनेसन्स आणि अँटी सबमरीन वॉरफेअर विमान जावन आसा।
Order by the Chief of the Naval Staff, whereas the Government of India has decided that Indian Naval Air Squadron 316 will commission, you are hereby directed to proceed to commission the said Air Squadron on the 29th day of March 2022 or as soon thereafter as circumstances permit. Indian Naval Air Squadron 316 will be administered by the Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Western Naval Command, given under my hand this the 29th day of March 2022. Signed, R. Harikumar, Admiral, Chief of the Naval Staff.
गोमंतक TV खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रदीप नायक।